Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am so excited about this. Today I am doing a collaboration with my sweet YouTube friend Jen. Her channel is called In With Jen, and of course I will link that down below. You'll definitely want to check out her channel. If you like my channel, you're gonna like her channel. She has a lot of the same content: cooking, cleaning. She's a mom, taking care of her home. She does a lot of really healthy grocery hauls and cooking videos. She's been doing the keto diet this year, so she looks amazing. Seriously, great motivation, and she's always cooking delicious meals. So she's going to also be doing a cook and clean with me, so you want to go check her out. If you haven't, when you're done with mine, make sure that you go check her out. And if you came from her channel, of course, welcome. My name is Erica and I'm so glad that you stopped by. I hope that you will stick around and subscribe. I hope that you like my channel. It's a lot like hers, like I said, and I love doing collaborations because it opens your channel up to a bigger audience and we can all support each other. I love being able to support each other and you know, pass around the positivity. So I am going to be making some dinner for my family tonight, and then I'm going to be cleaning up my kitchen. So I'm going to take you guys with me and let's get to cooking because I am starving. So I am going to be making some barbecue chicken tonight, which I've already put the chicken in the crock pot. That's cooked all day, and then I'm just going to add some barbecue sauce. But I'm going to show you how to make a carrot casserole. That's what I call it, at least. When I was little, one time my mom made this amazing carrot casserole and I never forgot it, and I've asked her so many times, how did you make it? I want to make it. And she can't really remember. She just threw stuff together, but I have found a way to recreate it, so I'm going to share it with y'all. It is so delicious and it's pretty healthy. It's got butter, cheese, and breadcrumbs in it, but it's also got onions and carrots, and it's so sweet and delicious, and I feel like it's pretty low carb. So I'm going to show you how I make it, and then I will also type the recipe down in the description box in case you want to make it. So you're going to need some carrots. This is a lot, depends on how many you want to make, how big of a pan you want to make. This is probably close to like one small package. And I read or heard a while back that if you leave the skin on, that's where a lot of the nutrients are. So I stopped peeling my carrots. I always just leave the skin on. I'm just going to cut the tips off and slice these. And then I'm going to cut up a half of an onion. I'm going to add some butter, some breadcrumbs. I like these panko seasoned. They're so delicious. And then about a half a block of this cheese, so about 8 ounces of cheese shredded. Okay, so I cut up my carrots and I cut up my onion and I just mixed them together in this baking dish that I sprayed with cooking spray. And then I shredded a little over half of that big block of cheese. So it's probably around 10 ounces of cheese, but of course you could do it however much you wanted or however little you wanted. And I'm just going to put this in here. I'm going to save a little bit for the top. And then I'm going to add about a half to 3/4 of a cup of breadcrumbs. A little bit more. And these are seasoned, so they smell so good. I can't even tell you. So then I'm just going to mix this together with my hands. And now I'm going to add the rest of the cheese on top. And now I'm just going to take some butter and put some little pats of butter along the top. So now I'm just gonna sprinkle some pepper on top. You can put salt if you want, but I always try to watch my salt, so I'm I'm not putting salt on this, but you could. And I preheated my oven to 375, so I'm not really sure how long this is going to take, but I'll tell you as I go. I'm going to go ahead and set the timer for about 40 minutes and then check it, and then I'll see after that. Okay, so I put some chicken breasts in the crock pot this afternoon or morning. I guess it was around 10 or 11, and they've been cooking all day, so on low. So I'm going to take them out now. I don't put my sauce in with my chicken because I don't like all of the juices and stuff to mix with it. A lot of people do. I just kind of grosses me out, and I like to trim them when I take them out. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out and shred them up and dump the juices, and then I will add them back in with the barbecue sauce just to keep warm until the rest of the stuff is ready. Unfortunately, that bag did not keep the juices out of the crock pot. Sometimes that happens. So I'm just going to go ahead and add them straight to this because I have to wash it out anyways. Now I'm just going to add some of this Kraft sweet brown sugar. This is just the sauce that we have. I use all different kind of barbecue sauce. I like this or Sweet Baby Ray's. And I'm just going to put like half of it or less. I'll add a little bit more. We like barbecue sauce. Okay, so these cooked for 40 minutes and I took them out and the carrots weren't quite done. So I covered it with foil and cooked them for another 20 minutes and now they're perfect. And I think what makes these so good is the seasoned breadcrumbs. So if you don't have seasoned, just maybe add some garlic and salt. You can flavor it however you want, but the carrots are so sweet. It's so delicious with the butter and the cheese and the breadcrumbs. It's amazing. Okay, so here's our dinner on the plate. There's Marion's. I just gave him some buns and the carrot casserole and some coleslaw that I made. And I'm not having buns, just the chicken and the coleslaw and the carrot casserole. So it's gonna be delicious. Okay, so dinner was delicious. Jackson had a barbecue sandwich and some chips with his. And now he's making an icy with a cherry snow cone. Okay, that's plenty. This is from Walmart. It's like a snow cone maker. We used to have an old one, but this one Marion got. Let's see, how does that work? He got it this year, and it is so amazing. Okay, so you're going to show him how to do it? Just like that. It's amazing. And then we got this cherry syrup from Walmart.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good, huh? Anyway, Jackson loves making these. He makes them all by himself, so I don't even have to do it.
No one needs a spoon.
Cheers to summer. And now I'm gonna clean this kitchen because, you know, just cooking one meal and it's a disaster. So while he enjoys that icy, I'm gonna clean up my kitchen.
Wow, that actually went better.
guys, so all I have to do is mop now. This is not what I do every night for sure, but it needs it tonight. So I'm gonna go ahead and mop my kitchen. But I wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to check out Jen's channel, and with Jen. She is so close. She's like 7 away from, I don't know if you can see it, from 1,000 subscribers. So hopefully this will push her over the top. Actually, by the time you see this video, she's probably gonna be over 1,000. So make sure to give her lots of love, let her know I sent you, and I'm gonna leave you with some shots of me cleaning my floors, and I'm gonna hook up my portable dishwasher, and then the kitchen will be clean. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give this a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.